Good evening, this is Carlos, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a pizza quesadilla. It's like cheese sticks and a quesadilla combined, or a pizza and a quesadilla combined together, etc. So I'll show you what you need. You need flour tortillas, some cheese, any kind of cheese. I just picked a Mexican blend, be more traditional. You got some pepperoni and some pasta sauce. Picked ragu. Keep it traditional. I combine Italy and Mexico. Just need somewhere to put it on, spatula to put it on the pan. It's the pan and the spatula. That's all you really need right now. Okay, so you want to preheat it. Like, if you're in a hurry, it doesn't really matter, so I'll just put it on high because I'm on a hurry. But if you want it like really well done, or you're a perfectionist or something, but yeah, I really doubt that, so you're gonna put it on high, as you can see there. And I got the old kind of kitchen, so it all varies. Alright, so this is how we're gonna start it out. First of all, you open up the soft tacos, the flour tortillas, whatever you want to call it. Just open it up. Alright, I'll just show you two variations. You can have it like a cheese stick or a pizza. So there you go. Pull out two. There you go. Yeah, let's get another one. There you go. The pan is still heating up, so you got time. Alright, so we'll start with the pizza one first. Just open up the ragu, get a spoon, and just smear it right here. Just smear it. Get it everywhere. Like, you can literally use any amount. It's all up to you. That's what I like about this. If you're in a hurry or something, you can like do whatever you really want with this. It's all up to you. But it's fast to do. Since it's gonna be like a pizza, it's gonna be like a pizza slash taco. Well, not much like a taco, but like you can fold it in half like it. Get the pepperoni ready. You can do the cheese first. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Cheese first. Bag of cheese. Just sprinkle it. Like, one handful should be good. But if you love cheese, you can add a little bit more. That's how it should look like. Now, okay, the pan is ready, so I should put this there. So now I'm just finish this thing off by adding the pepperoni. 1, 2, and 3. See that there? Now you can just fold it in half. Just fold it in half like that. As you can see right there. And you just put it on the pan. So that's how you should leave it. We'll check back on that like after I get this one done. Now let's check on our pizza. This is the pizza and that's the regular one. Pizza, just flip Let me just try this hand. There you go. Well, you know, when I say it's ready, it's when I see like little brown spots around here, like burnt spots. Like it doesn't have to be burnt. It can be like golden brown or a little bit black. And then right here, from the here on, you just gotta play the patient game. Back on the pizza and the quesadilla cheese stick. Well, it's basically a quesadilla. Alright, still not ready yet. So you can hear it sizzle. That's pretty much because of the cheese. Like the cheese fell off the tortilla, you know, just hit the pan. So there you go, you kind of want that texture. You know, I'm gonna wait a little bit more. But that's ideally what you want. That brownish, golden brownish texture. The pizza and the quesadilla. Alright, see that's what I really want. Could be a little darker, but you know, that's my goal right there. Damn it. Huh? Yeah, so yeah, just wait a little bit more. Should be done in like a minute. So right now you can just work on cleaning everything up. Alright, it should be ready now. So this is the pizza right here. It's toasted. You can see the sauce melting away. And then here's the quesadilla. And there's the sauce to go with it. You know, this is how this pizza will look like. So yeah, just follow these instructions. It's pretty easy. Like, don't make it complicated than what it is. Because it really shouldn't be that complicated. It's not rocket science. It's just simple cooking. You know, it's like the same level as making some ramen noodles. Till next time, I'll see you later.